All right, so today I'm going to use the excellent SayWhat dialog editor to set up a series of conversations for the game I'm working on. And it's having issues right now, so I checked out the Git source, and that's here. And first we gotta npm install it. And I already installed it before, so that went really fast. And then you can run npm start to compile it and run Electron. And I just get a white screen. I'm not sure why. So I got this before. I fixed it by just running it again. It seemed to work the second time. I'm not sure why. Okay, so now we've got our setup. Looks like currently the red and green syntax highlighting for the story maker is working correctly. But I'm going to make a new sequence and just start from scratch because I was having issues with that. So let's make a new project. And I'm just gonna recreate the one that's in the screenshot of the project because I was having issues specifically with that. So first we add a node, and we're gonna call it start, and we're gonna say if not has met Nathan. Which will not do these things if the person has already met them. So we can keep state of who is Coco, the main character, who have they met. Hello. And you can see the syntax highlighting is off, so it's all there's nothing there. And I think that's intended. While you're typing it, I think it's supposed to do that. So I'm going to make another line that's like my response from Coco. Or actually my response from Nathan. And another, so this is all just a simple conversation when they initially meet. Okay, so after we've done this, and this should be Coco. After they've done this, then we can say, well, they've met. So, so next time you talk to this Nathan person, it will be different. So we say do, and then I'm just going to copy this, has met Nathan equals 1. And then this is what Nathan will say no matter what. So even after they have met once, this is the conversation every time. So they say, what can I do for you? Okay, so now we can do some flow. And in the screenshot, it's hard to tell what's happening. I'm writing the docs right now, so it's not super clear how to even use it, but I'm already in love with it, so hopefully everything will be cool. Okay, so here is where we put some different options, and so I want a way to loop this. So can you repeat that? And then an arrow that goes back to start. And can you tell me more about this demo. And that's going to go to tell me more, which doesn't exist yet. And if knows about wishing well, how do I get to the wishing well? So basically this is like another option. If I know about the wishing well, then it gives me an extra option in the menu, so I can ask Nathan about it. And the last thing is nothing for now, and that ends the conversation if you say that. So if I save this, you can see, can you repeat this? So it says pick a node, and I'll say start. Can you tell me more about this demo? So it says tell me more or pick a node. So I'm going to create tell me more. And Nathan is going to tell me more. And I'm just making this up. And I'm going to save that. So, okay, so that jumps to that. And then this is another issue. It says create wishing well or pick a node. And so I'll create wishing well. And this is not going to be super useful, but the wishing well is for water and also wishes. Okay, so now we have a complete flow. Here, let's make this a little bigger so we can see everything. We have a complete flow where start will loop around back to itself. Tell me more will trigger this, and wishing well will trigger this. And so this should work. So here's one problem. There's no highlighting on mine. I'm not sure what I did wrong. So if I look at the example sequence, it looks like, oh, it looks like I need brackets. That might be the whole problem. Okay, so if has, okay. So let's change this to this part. Okay, so hopefully that'll fix these ones. Yes. Okay, that's great. I feel dumb. Maybe it was just user error. Okay, and then how do I do a do? So it looks like I just put that in brackets too. So the whole thing I was missing was just stupid brackets. Okay, that's easy. Oh yeah, but it cleared out my text here, so here I'll put do has met Nathan equals 1. All right, so that does resolve it. So I think maybe that was my whole issue. So after this, I guess this video can just be like a demo of how to use it or something. So after you get all this working, then you can export, and you can export directly as a Godot resource, or you can export for the mono game library. I haven't used this, but it looks cool. Or just as regular old JSON, which secretly the Godot resource, if you look at it, it is actually just JSON hidden inside the file. and then you can use it in your game. So there's a library for Godot that you load up into your game, and it doesn't actually do any display or anything, but it does all the like dialogue flow. So it can like get each line. It can it triggers like the name and the text, and oh, I saw a typo. Let's fix that. Oh gosh. Yeah. So after that, I should be able to save this and run it in my game, and I'll do that in another video. I think I can show that off. All right. Well, thanks for watching.